Wait, are we live? You should be live. Hey Sean, how are you? Good morning. How's it going? How's the orb going for you lately? Hope it's going well for you. Yeah, I wanted to request a payout yesterday, but I couldn't because of the consistency rule on my Apex account. So I gotta trade a little bit longer. It is what it is. Okay, let me set up everything so we're good to go. Still have enough time. Okay, this should be fine. I'd like to start with 55. Alright. Let me just make sure everything's set up correctly. And then I just need a glass of water and I'm good to go. Only one trade in red? Well, I mean, overall, you always have positive risk to reward, so you should be fine, right? I mean, there's always a lot of volatility lately with everything going on in the world. First, we had these tariffs and everything, and then there's wars. I mean, there's so much going on. Okay, I'm gonna start on 55. Let me make sure I'm locked into rhythmic so I can see everything. Okay, let me check news. Oh no, he's gonna talk again. I mean, he also testified yesterday, right? Yeah, he also did this yesterday. Oh yeah, I'm not a fan of it when they talk, you know, if they just put out the data, it's fine. But whenever they talk, man, I hate it. 'Cause sometimes they're just yapping too much and then the market is moving a lot. That if we have like these normal news events coming out, like with numbers, I mean, you just see a spike like for 1 or 2 minutes, then we're back to normal. But whenever they talk, it's horrible. It's horrible. Okay, on 55, we're gonna trade on 55. All right, I think I'm set up so far. Gotta move this. Yeah, we should be set up. All right, let me just go ahead and get some water and whatever I need. I will be back in just a second. Let me move that here. Let me move this a little bit. And there's always something every day now. Someone has to talk. Someone gotta talk. Where's my Twitter? All right. Put this here. Okay, let me get my water. We have 7 minutes. All right, we're here. I want to check. There was something I wanted to check. Oh, yeah. When do I have to work today? Let me just check this real quick. Okay, we have a minute here. Okay, 6. All right, I'm ready. Good luck, everyone. If you're trading the open, see if we get our scalp. Good luck. Okay, let me just reload that real quick. All right, I'm probably gonna look for something on the ES. I mean, that looks the best right now. But I'm open for anything else. Okay. Let's hope for some good setups. I mean, if we get a setup now for the rest of the week, once per day, we should be at the payout on another account as well. Alrighty, we're open. Yep, a lot of volatility. A lot of volatility. Alright, good luck, everyone. Just gonna focus up on the open real quick. Damn, it's moving crazy today. Okay, no setup here in the first minute. I was thinking about this. Damn, it's super volatile today. Looking at the YM here. Just need a good close below the level. That's not gonna do it. Okay. Oh my god, I'm too slow. Why is it not showing? There we go. With on a small trade here, I mean, I didn't really like my entry too much, to be honest. Should also move this. Yeah, I should have entered on the candle before that, probably. All right. Hey, Druna, how's it going, buddy? It's still working. Hey, future trading, how are you? Yeah, the candle before was definitely the better entry. Good, alrighty. Super volatile. Good to see you guys. Let's see if we find another setup on the other account. Did you request pair? I couldn't because of the windfall that were showing me. The consistency is not good enough. They didn't let me. I was stuck in the short at 473. Did you get out or not? Hope you got out. But yeah, no, I tried to request it. They didn't let me. It didn't even go through. Just in the past, yeah, I have to make more right now. If I remember correctly, in the past, you could just withdraw it, like request it, and they're gonna deny you. But that's alright. I mean, I kind of knew that. I kind of expected it, but that's okay. Oh, you're still in the short? Damn. See if we get one more setup. Crazy volatile today. Yeah, we just take our base hit, you know? I don't care. Take our base hit and call it a day. Hey Yash, how's it going? Good to see you. I'm on the wrong one. Oh, well, let me show you real quick. Taking a short here on RTY. See, we're pushing into profit. That's what we want to see. Hopefully today we're not gonna get missed by a tick. Everything else is pushing higher, so I think I should just take it off here. I missed my chance. I think I missed my chance there. Yeah, I wanted to take it off. Let's see. Maybe we can hold. And we're not looking for too much here. Ah, I just wanted to close it. Okay, I'm just gonna close it. We're not gonna let this happen like yesterday. It's kind of scary to take trades at the top. I agree. I agree. I mean, so far it's going good. I mean, if you're scalping, this is working out well. Okay, we have one more account to trade. How's everyone else doing so far? How are you guys doing? Alright, one more account. Yeah, the Feds are gonna speak in 22 minutes, so we gotta be aware of that. You guys are doing good. Nice, nice, nice. Love to hear it. Alright, let's switch over to... Yeah, I really hope once I'm in Florida, once I'm in the US again, I'm just gonna get a stream deck or something. So I don't have to do this all manually, you know? I can just click a button with my finger and then switching the screens and everything. I think that's the better way to do it. Sometimes I lose a lot of time. Okay, we might take another one here. We get a good close. I'm gonna take a short. Okay, we're in. We're on the YM here. Just breaking off this level. 25-point stop. Still holding here. Could have waited for a 2-minute maybe to close. Yeah, I think with a stream deck it's gonna be easier. Alright, not giving us any profits here. Okay, I'm gonna move my stop a little bit. I don't want to give it too much room. Okay, nice. Going into profit here. That's a good reaction. Good spike. Getting closer to the target. Come on, just go lower. I just missed us there. Yeah, you want to get out on these spikes. Because whenever you get these spikes and then it doesn't continue, it's just turning over probably. We're still holding here. I mean, everything else is holding as well. Okay, nice. There we go. All right, an all green day. Would you believe it? I mean, it's smaller profits, but like I said, when we're scalp and we're just trying to build the drawdown, this is what we want to do. Did you get the payout or get rejected? They don't let me request it yet. Wait, let me show you. Let me show you. I mean, to be honest, it might be good because now I have more time to build the account and it's going to be harder to lose it. Jeez, my nose. Let me show you. Let me show you. You're getting like an error message. Here, let me show you. Oh my god, let me move it. Jesus. Yo, let me move it. My god. It's so annoying. See, here, request payout. And this is the account. I mean, obviously this is from yesterday, the balance. Let me clean my nose real quick. This stupid allergy, I'm telling you. Look at my eyes. That's alright. But yeah, look, this is the account, and let's say we want to take out everything that we could. Not a row word. So if I click on request here, windfall, blah blah blah. My consistency yesterday was 47.65, and you need 30%. So I need to push the account to 4,800 in profit. But yeah, in the past you were able to request it, even though you were above the consistency rule. But yeah, we just have to trade a little bit longer. That's all right. You know, whatever. It's what it is. Like I said, I kind of expected it. All right, so if we trade longer, we're gonna look for something on the NQ from now on. So we're still 1600 away, but then at least I can take out the 2000, like the maximum. So, you know, it's all right. We just gotta see. All right, let me. Well, is NQ at the all-time high right now? And we're at the all-time high here. Let's see how make day by day so I can calculate it. I mean, you can see it on your dashboard. You can definitely see it there. I know if you want to get the normal payout, the maximum you should make on a day is like 750 on the 50K accounts. But yeah, I made double of this, so it's all right. It is all right. All right, Powell is gonna start talking in 14 minutes. Let's see what he has to say. Yeah, crazy move again. I would like one more little trade on this account, maybe 10 points, like $200, and then we call it. Just don't know if I'm gonna trade now when he's gonna talk. Wow, what a move here. I mean, look at this on the 15 minute. Just straight up. All right, here's some pullback. And yeah, let me show you. Like, this is the update for right now, at least. So this account, we made some drawdown back, which is important, but we're still down like 150 in drawdown. I pushed the account once like to 300 something in profit, like 1300 in profit. This account is completely fine. We're 1700 up, so we need like a little bit more than 900 to request a payout here. And this account, like I said, we have to push it to 4800 in profit, so we're still 1600 away. But they're not looking too bad. The accounts are actually looking pretty decent. They're looking pretty decent. I still have some accounts with videos, like funded accounts, but It's just hard to show it when I trade it because it's in quant hour. So for now, we're just gonna focus on Apex. Just gotta focus on Apex. Doing real good. Yeah, I mean, I don't know. This is just working way better for me. You know, that's what I used to say. In the past, I just did this for sometimes 5 or 10 minutes a day just on the open, and then I just walked away. Just on the open, you always get this momentum, and it's so easy to scalp if you follow some rules at least. But yeah, like I said, I would like one more trade. Oh yeah, I mean, like I said, this is gonna be my last run with Apex anyways. I just want one good payout and then call it because I'm banned anyways. But of course, if I... Oh, we might take something here. Let me focus up real quick. I take another trade here if we close below the level. Okay, we're in. Hope we're on the right account. Yep. Got another setup here on the YM. You know what? I'm just gonna take a scalp. But yeah, I just want to get one more good payout from Apex, and then I can just close this chapter, you know? I just want to get one more payout with the... But if I can, of course, I want to keep the accounts as long as I can to get more payouts. Okay, getting lower. Just hit our target. Come on. This is nice. There we go. Oh, it's so refreshing to see it, that everything works out like it used to. Just in the past, I did it different because I used 3 contracts instead of 2. But yeah, we love to see it. Love to see it. The only reason why I stopped it was because of the tariffs, because it was so volatile I couldn't do it. Alright, yeah, we're up like 300 on this account. Still 1500 away from payout. But because the account is out of the safety net, so now we already have 3200 drawdown, like we actually built the account. Time for a day. If we get a good setup on, oh, let me switch to NQ. I would take one more on NQ. Maybe just 6, 7, 8 points. It just has to be a good setup because I don't want to give back the profits now. Well, I don't have any other account to trade. I just have the Phidias account, but I can't trade it on Ninja. I have to go to Quant Tower, so I don't know if I want to do that. And I just wanted to wait with these accounts. But yeah, I would like to take one more setup. I'm just going to wait a little bit now because Powell is going to start to speak, and I would definitely like to wait. But yeah, what a sell-off here. No, but a pretty calm day. Looks pretty good. Still need to work on holding the trades longer, especially on this account where we don't have any drawdown issues anymore. I can just hold it. Just look for better profits. And yeah, no, it's not looking bad. It's going good. But yeah, I would like one more trade, even if it's just 7, 8 points. It's just gonna help me to get to the target. Yeah, right. Why is he speaking every day? Like, what's this guy doing? I talked about it earlier. I hate it so much. You know, why can't they just release data? That's so much easier. If they just post their data, the market moves for like a couple seconds, a couple minutes at a time. But when he speaks, first of all, you don't know how long he's gonna speak, and if he says like a wrong word, the market just goes crazy. Not a fan of it. I don't know. Good old Powell. Let me check something real quick. Just give me 1 sec. And we're just reversing? What are we doing? What are we doing? It's just crazy. Look, compare the NQ or the ES to the RTY. Excuse me. To the RTY. Look at this. That's why I like the RTY. It's so much cleaner. Look at this. Such a clean move. And now look at this, like the ES. Like, my god. Or the NQ. So different. So different. Alright, he's gonna start in 4 minutes. I mean, we could trade my Phidias account. Okay, let's see. Let me log in first. Paper. There we go. Yeah, for you that wonder, that's my current Phidias status. So we have one funded account and we have 2 more that are close to being funded. I just didn't want to trade them yet because once you're funded, you have to pay the fee right away, and I don't know if I want to do that. So yeah, but let's have a look. Let me open Quant Tower. Market pushing, you know, so weird. Does anyone know how long he's gonna speak today? Is there anything that we know about it? $20? You think so? Didn't he speak like way longer yesterday? Or according to ChatGPT, okay. Well, let's hope for the best. Oh, if ChatGPT says it, gotta be right. Yeah, we are at all-time high, right? Is that correct? I mean, we're pretty high, yeah. Just look how ugly this is. Like, what is this? We're at all-time high. Jesus. Damn. Okay, I mean, I'm connected with Phidias in case we get an opportunity here. I'm gonna take something, but yeah. Yeah, we pushed up a lot actually. In case I take something, I will switch the screen so you can see it. Let me just make sure it's set up. How does it look on stream? Not too bad. Man, I just prefer NinjaTrader a lot. Like, it looks just way better. Just compare that. It just doesn't look like clean. Like compared to NinjaTrader, how good that looks. I don't know. Alright, he should be speaking right now, right? Should be speaking. And I also have a little curse on my funded accounts with Phidias. Like on my eval accounts, I have no issue making 1500 in a day. But with the funded accounts, my god, I'm just cursed. My god, what's wrong with this chair? Jesus Christ. Alright, we're pushing lower. I mean, could we take a short? I don't know. It's just weird range again. And if we break this level here. Dollar pullback. Yeah, it's just so choppy. I don't know. I don't know. Well, we're right at it. Right here. Looks like we're gonna break out. Okay. I mean, we could also take like a little reversal. What about that? Let me take it long. We close good. All right, let's give this a try. And stop below this wick here. I mean, usually I don't like to trade reversals and stuff, but let's give it a try, I guess. Okay. Oh, it's a fresh account. Like we really need to nail the first couple trades to build some drawdown. Maybe we just move it a little bit closer. Okay, nice. There we go. Well, it's $50, $50, 53. We take it. Yeah, you guys know me. I mean, you've been here for a while. I never take reversals. So that played out pretty good. It's static drawdown. So every time we have a positive trade, that helps us. Start with 500 drawdown. Now we're already at 550. So it definitely helps. Yeah, the reason is why I took it. I mean, there's a lot of support down here and we touched it again and then we had a good candle that closed strong. So why not give it a shot? I would also take another short. We close below the level. Ugh. Definitely a lot of support down here. Need that close. Yeah, I'm not gonna take another long. I think the first time was the best way to do it, the best time to do it. I don't know if I trust this now to take another long. Not on this candle. I mean, it looks like it works. Damn, what a wick. Yep, you can tell he's speaking. You can tell. Okay, let's see if we get the breakout now. We break out and we close below. I'm gonna take another short. It's trying to go lower. No. Maybe it's not ready yet. Maybe it's not ready. The dollar is selling. Okay. Feels like we're just gonna break out any second here. Feels like it. Yep, there we go. This holding, I don't know. Is it? I mean, we have to see how we close, I guess. Yeah, it should go. I mean, if we don't close strong, I don't know if I should take it. Ah, no, this is not the close I want to see. I mean, it might still go now. Not what I want to see. I mean, it's still around this level. Still around it. Yeah, but it's not really giving me what I like to enter on, you know? Hmm. Okay, going back into this range. But yeah, at least on the 1 minute time frame, you can See that we're at least right now downtrending. We have a high, lower high, lower high. Hopefully you're breaking off this level now with a good candle with momentum. Wait, yeah, I need a better entry. Just made 100,000 last week. It's a choppy market. I mean, right now it feels pretty choppy. But do you trade prop firms or your own money? It's better to wait for tomorrow opening. Yeah, I mean, we're pretty much done. We're green on all accounts, so. But I would take one more trade if we get an entry here. There it goes. Damn, what a sell-off. Well, you said it, futures trading. Your own money? Nice. That's even better. Okay, if we get a good close here. It's still not giving me the close I want to see. Wait for tomorrow? Nah, it's alright. Oh, you trade Forex? Yeah, we don't trade Forex. We're all trading futures here. We're not gonna trade today. I mean, if you made 100K last week, yeah, then you can just sit back and relax. But congrats. You're killing it. I mean, it's still going lower. It's just never really giving me an entry I want to see. All right, let's see. We get this little scalp. Oh my god, I can't even set up my stop in time. Might get cooked here. Gonna move my stop closer. Yeah, it's flipping a little bit. I mean, it's also Paolo speaking, so okay, we're getting stopped there. Getting stopped. Yeah, somewhere here was a better entry, but just never gave me the candle I wanted to see. Let's see if we go back into the range. We trade with 1.5 million accounts. Well, yeah, if you use a higher contract size, of course, then 100,000 might be not that much for you. All right, pushing higher again. Yeah, we're trying to make it. Only you were a couple steps ahead. Couple steps ahead. I mean, we tested this level again. Now we're selling off again. Okay, if we have a good close. All right, give it one more try. Maybe into the lows here. We don't even risk 0.5%. I mean, it's still a good profit if you make 100,000 last week. I mean, was it just yourself or your whole institution? I mean, even if it's with a couple of people, 100,000 is still 100,000. What are we holding so far? I think I gotta move my stop a little bit. Yeah, let me move it. But yeah, if we get stopped here, I'm just gonna take a break, probably. A group of 4, I mean, that's nice. Like 25k per person. That's so good. Just too much up. Probably should have waited until he's done speaking. We get a couple points of profit, I'm gonna move it break even. Yeah, it looks like we're gonna get stopped here as well. Well, yeah, it only goes up or down. That's right. It's a 50-50 chance. Best casino that you can get. 50-50 chance. But yeah, it looks like I'm not a good guesser today. I'm not a good gambler. Alrighty, we're stopped here. Yeah, I think I'm gonna call it here. I mean, at least the Apex accounts, they look good. So that's alright. But yeah, the open worked out pretty well today. That's what I want to see. Maybe I can recover this later on. But I'm going to end it here for the stream. But I appreciate everyone who's always tuning in. I hope you all are green on the day. I will be back tomorrow, like always, 9:15 a.m. Eastern. And yeah, feel free to tune in. If you haven't, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe. And I see you all tomorrow again. Appreciate everyone. See you tomorrow. All right, guys. Appreciate you. See you tomorrow. Have a good one.